If your kitchen turns into complete chaos every holiday season because the oven is overloaded, the turkey cooks unevenly, and dinner somehow ends up delayed anyway, you're definitely not alone. A lot of people buy giant turkeys thinking the hard part is done, only to realize their regular oven struggles to handle the size and maintain moisture at the same time. That's exactly where the Vevor 26-quart electric roaster oven comes in. It's designed for large family meals, holiday gatherings, and anyone who wants a simpler, less stressful way to cook big cuts of meat without babysitting the oven all day. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. Right away, this roaster feels surprisingly practical for the price. The stainless steel finish gives it a clean, modern look without feeling overly bulky or cheap, and the 26-quart capacity is genuinely large enough to handle serious meals. Vevor says it can fit up to a 30-pound turkey, and visually, it definitely looks built for oversized holiday cooking. The visible self-basting lid is probably the standout design feature because it lets you actually monitor cooking progress without constantly opening the lid and releasing heat. If you've ever roasted a turkey before, you already know how important that can be for keeping moisture and temperature consistent. The build quality also feels more solid than expected in this category. The cool touch handles make it safer to move around, especially when a unit is full and heavy, and the removable roasting rack makes transferring large meats much less awkward. The enamel-coated interior is another practical touch because food releases more easily, and cleanup doesn't become a full evening project afterward. Nothing here feels unnecessarily complicated, which honestly works in the product's favor. When it comes to real-world cooking performance, the Vevor roaster does exactly what most people actually want from an appliance like this. It simplifies large meal prep. The 1450-watt heating system gets hot fairly quickly, and the adjustable temperature controls from 150 to 450 degrees give you enough flexibility for roasting, baking, warming, and slow cooking style meals. One thing I noticed compared to traditional ovens is that the enclosed design helps trap moisture better, especially during long cooking sessions. That self-basting lid continuously circulates steam, so meats tend to stay juicier without requiring constant manual basting every 30 minutes. The defrost function is also more useful than it initially sounds. If you've forgotten to thaw a turkey or a large cut of meat ahead of time, this feature can genuinely save a holiday meal from turning into a disaster. And once everything's cooked, the warm setting keeps food at serving temperature without drying it out too aggressively. That's especially helpful during parties or family gatherings where everyone eats at slightly different times. In terms of everyday usability, this thing is refreshingly simple. There's no complicated digital interface or endless menus to scroll through. You set the temperature, choose the function, and let it do its job. For beginners or people who don't cook massive meals often, that simplicity makes the whole process much less intimidating. It also runs fairly quietly, so it doesn't dominate the kitchen with fan noise or constant clicking sounds. Cleaning is another strong point here. The removable roasting pan and non-stick enamel surface make wiping everything down surprisingly easy, especially after cooking greasy meats. Compared to scrubbing a full-size oven after Thanksgiving dinner, this feels dramatically less stressful. That alone could honestly justify the purchase for some households. Now, to keep things balanced, there are a few limitations. First, this appliance takes up a decent amount of counter or storage space, so smaller kitchens may struggle to accommodate it comfortably. Also, while it handles roasting extremely well, Vevor specifically mentions it's not ideal for soup cooking, so this isn't trying to replace every kitchen appliance. And while the controls are simple, they also feel a little less premium compared to more expensive roaster ovens from higher-end brands. Compared to similarly priced roaster ovens, though, the Vevor model stands out because of its large capacity, fast heating, and genuinely useful moisture retention design. Some cheaper models cut corners on heating consistency or build quality, while premium brands often cost significantly more without offering a huge difference in actual cooking results. This feels like a strong middle ground option for practical family cooking. Overall, The Vevor 26 quart electric roaster oven makes a lot of sense for large families, holiday hosts, meal preppers, or anyone tired of fighting for oven space during big dinners. It's easy to use, cooks evenly, keeps meat juicy, and removes a lot of the stress from preparing oversized meals. If that sounds useful for your kitchen setup, check the link in the description for current pricing and availability. And if you enjoyed this review, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stick around for more honest product reviews focused on real, everyday use instead of overhyped marketing claims.